Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Collinsville, local and long distance movers near me. Our staff of experienced movers will ensure your long distance move goes effortlessly. Regardless of how far you need to relocate, our expert team of movers will make it a lot simpler. The best moving services help make all the difference, and our team provides just what you need for your upcoming move. Along with the general long distance moving solutions, we also offer all the following: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on time move and upfront pricing. Choosing to work with a local Illinois moving company might not seem like it's worth the cost. A better look at the advantages you receive from a local moving company can help you understand why it's a wise option. A reliable moving company can enable you to save time regardless of how far you're going. Movers can also ensure you don't need to worry about injury because you won't have to do any heavy lifting. Our experienced movers provide efficiency with each and every single move. Using a local moving company such as 3 Movers gives you a streamlined move. A move that might take you all weekend to finish, we can handle in a single afternoon. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Collinsville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.